Oh my gosh. Guys, there's literally a baby bird in a nest. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Do you see the baby chick? He's right there. Under the mom's bottom. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. I've always seen a nest under our deck, but I've never seen the actual bird in there. It's a pigeon. And then there's the baby chick.
Alright, what do you want to do? Do you want to make like a
Look
little
at
pond?
She looks angry. It's raining right now. You can probably tell.
Kill us all with its powers of mighty justice.
I'm aware.
Do you know why she's up there?
Like that is so cool.
Because
The mom is literally like, I'm ready to. Don't.
She almost left.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Actually, I want it to stay there. Leave it. Just leave that.
I think it's gonna probably get eaten by like evil.
No, just leave it.
I'm gonna kill it.
Leave it. No,
Kidding.
actually,
Like,
leave
how do you
it.
think I want to kill something like that? I want to go in your backyard.
That is so cool.
Holy shit, that's scary. It looks like it's about to like peck my brain out of my head.
Oh, can you see the neck? No, leave it. Don't do that. Do you see the neck of that? Wait, go back there. Go back there and
No,
record
I'm too
this.
scared to do that. It's gonna.
No, record it.
It looks like it's about to kill me.
Oh, it's scary. But I gotta do it. Oh my gosh.
Alright, I'm gonna leave.
Wait, what? How are you? You're just gonna leave? Okay, bye.
You should come.
we could go.
Well, I will, but I'll have to bring my phone somehow. I'll just put it in my pocket, but like, I can't believe there's a baby bird. I just started recording because I was like, oh yeah, there's a baby bird in our backyard.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
Okay, let's climb over the fence.
The fence. This guy can't fly.
Oh.
Let's go. Okay, guys.
I just hurt myself.
How?
What?
This is like, I just started recording because I was like, oh my god. Wait, did you find out? Oh, jeez, the smoke. Did you find out, or was I the one that found out?
I found out. No, it's my brother actually.
That was incredible.
Whoa, that's a really white rock.
Anyways, that was cool.